Hi everyone, and welcome back to another video. In today's video, I am going to be decorating my front entryway in two different styles, and I'm also going to be adding some fall decor to my front porch. All of these ideas are super affordable and very easy, so let's get right into today's video.
I almost can't believe it. Every time we touch,
Before I get started with the fall decor, I'm just kind of cleaning up this area over here. It has a ton of my kids' stuff, shoes, backpacks, and a little bit of summer decor left over. So I am just putting everything away and packing up the last of that summer decor. And then I'm just going to quickly wipe everything down, make sure it's nice and clean before I get my really pretty fall decor out.
'cause when we touch is when I really come alive.
If you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for watching another video and subscribing to my channel. If you have not yet subscribed and this is the first video that you have watched, I would absolutely love it if you hit that red subscribe button right now. You're also going to want to hit that notification bell. That just notifies you whenever I upload a brand new video. My video days are normally every Sunday.
Oh yeah, yeah, I'm flying over the clouds, and I'm not coming down. Every time we touch, I feel at home. There's no way I'd ever let you go. When you put your hands in mine, I know I'm gonna be alright. I don't know what you do to me, but I feel like I am way up in the sky. When you put your hands in mine, I know I'm gonna be alright. 'Cause when we touch is when I really come alive. Oh, when we touch is when I really come alive. Ooh, I couldn't be without you now. I just can't see how, not even if I tried. Ooh, I couldn't be without you now. I just can't see how, 'cause I need you by my side. Every time we touch, I feel at home. There's no way I'd ever let you go. When you put your hands in mine, I know I'm gonna be alright. Yeah, I don't know what you do to me, but I feel like I am.
I really love the way layered mirrors look. I had done this over on my mantle last year and I loved the way it looked. I thought it looked really pretty and just added a bunch of character. So I thought I would do some layering with 3 different styles of mirrors over here in the entryway.
Can't believe I live in your thoughts. I think about you all the time.
I purchased these really pretty florals a couple weeks ago at Hobby Lobby when I was looking for some fall decor, and I really wanted to add them to my entryway, and it took me a while to figure out where I wanted to place these. So I had remembered I had this little pocket wall basket, and I thought they'd look really pretty just to the left of this mirror, and I love the way this looks, and I love how these cascade out of this little basket, and I just think they look so pretty.
You're the rose in a garden.
I really loved this color that these florals had, so I wanted to find other colors very similar and just kind of add them in this little space. I found this garland with some white pumpkins and some dried type looking florals on here, and I believe I purchased those little garlands maybe 2 years ago, and I cannot remember where I found them. It was either Michael's or Hobby Lobby. But I thought they'd look really pretty just kind of draped over these lanterns that I have here in the entryway.
Let go. The world around could pass us by. A thunderstorm, a lightning strike as we hold each other tight.
I found this garland of moss in one of my bins, and for some reason it was placed in my fall bin. Maybe I used it in some of my fall decor last year, and I know it's not fall, but I really liked that color of that muted green that it had, and it just brought a little more color over here to these mirrors. And then picking up more of that color from those florals, I thought these amber glass jars would look so pretty over here. And then I'm just going to place some flameless candles in them. And then to pick up a little bit of that green from that garland, I'm just adding a really pretty pumpkin that has a little bit of that color green in it. Over here on the other side, I'm just going to add an antique candy dish and fill it with some white faux pumpkins.
You're the leaves in mid-August, and I've come out here to say, hey, you're the rose in a garden, and it shows if I'm honest. You're the leaves in mid-August, and I've come out here to say,
I wanted to make it look a little more inviting and cozy, so I thought I would add this little chair and a fluffy pillow and blanket to match the colors that I had used over here. I said in the beginning of this video that I was going to show you how I decorated this entryway in 2 different styles. So now that you have seen one style, I'm going to show you another style. It is a little more simple with a little more color. I picked up a few new items at Target, and this wreath was absolutely gorgeous. It had a little bit of that neutral color in there that I wanted in this entryway, but it also had that burgundy color in there that I'm using throughout my home. And unfortunately, when I put this up on the mirror, I forgot to hit record, but I had placed it right up on that mirror, and I did use a command hook to do that. I also found these beautiful fall stems. They were $15 a piece, which I thought was an amazing deal considering how lifelike they looked. And I thought they would look perfect in this corner with just a simple glass vase. And I did end up getting 3 of those. And I love that pop of color that it has over here. And I did keep it pretty simple. I thought I would add some sweater pumpkins over here. I found those at Target, I want to say probably 3 or 4 years ago, and I ended up taking that glass pumpkin away because I felt like it was just too much. But the sweater pumpkins and the wreath and those stems were all found at Target. I'm not sure you could find the sweater pumpkins again, but this is the look that I am sticking with. I love the simple look, and I think it looks really, really pretty, and I am just absolutely so in love with that burgundy and purple this fall, and I just think it looks so pretty.
Death for me, yeah. It's my history. This is the best of me. Here is the rest of me. Yeah. Na, 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 Thinking back, trying to make out where we went wrong.
Now we're going to go outside and do a little bit of fall decorating here on my front porch. Right here, I'm just kind of showing you what it looks like before I get started, and this is my summer decor that I have out. And quite honestly, I am not really out here that much at all, and I usually go in my home through the garage, but I love to decorate my front porch. I have a lot of fun doing it, and I think it just adds character to your home. So I'm just going to start by removing all of my summer decor and packing that up away, and then I'm just going to quickly use my leaf blower and clean off the front porch of any leaves or pine needles that are left around and get rid of the dust that's on the bench and all that stuff. Now, as much as I would love to put real potted mums on my front porch, they will absolutely die, so I'm not even going to attempt it this year. I found these bunches of mums at Hobby Lobby, and they look so incredibly real. I thought they would look beautiful in this urn, and I love that color. I was really happy to find that burgundy color that I've been using throughout my home. And then over here on the bench, I kind of wanted to go with that sweater look to give it a little cozy feel, and I found these sweater pillows in my closet with a lot of my winter and fall decor, and I thought it would look so pretty over here, and it kind of mirrors what I have going on in the entryway.
If you had to leave, I would wait a lifetime if you were at sea. I just wanna say that I feel that our love is.
For the most part, I love making my own seasonal wreaths. So after I get this door cleaned up, getting all that dust off and everything, I'm gonna take you inside and I'm gonna show you how I made a really pretty fall wreath. And it was seriously so easy to do. So what I like doing is using the same wreath for any seasonal decor, so that way I'm not buying a ton of wreaths and having to store them away. So I just add the florals and greenery, and then when the season's over, I'll just switch it out. So this had, I think it was previously spring on here, and I just kind of took the florals off and put them away. And for the most part, I didn't really glue any on, but I did just a few. I like to use floral wire because it's really easy to take off. And I just wanted to stick with that color that was outside on the front porch, that really pretty burgundy color, And I found these at Hobby Lobby along with the florals that you just saw me use. And I picked up 2 bundles of these, and I'm just gonna place these around the wreath and see how it turns out. I don't really have anything particular in mind that I'm going to do. I'm just gonna kind of place them around. So I'm gonna show you how I do that. So once I get all of these stems clipped apart and they're all in their own little pieces, I'm just gonna take each stem and kind of weave it in and stick it in between those little branches. And for the most part, they do hold very securely. You don't need glue or wire or anything. But if you live in an area where it gets really windy and you don't want your wreath damaged or anything like that, you might want to add some floral wire, or you can also add some glue if you want to keep it pretty permanent. But I didn't have to do any of that, and they were very nice and snug.
Try to figure out who I am. Not sure what I'm doing.
I have this little side table over here, and mostly my Amazon packages that are smaller, the Amazon driver leaves them over here for me. But I wanted to dress this up just a little bit with some white pumpkins. I have these glass pumpkins with lights in them, and I thought they would look perfect over here. And then I also had those white pumpkin stems. So that's all I did over here, just kind of dressed it up. I kept it very, very neutral.
Who can make it go away? All you have to do is look at me. Sometimes I can't breathe.
I have really been loving that layered look of 2 rugs by your front door, so I'm just going to keep with that same look. I'm keeping with the black and white bottom rug because I really liked it, and it really goes with the colors that I have out here and this round rug that I have in front of the bench. And then I just got a simple jute rug at Target. I believe it was $19.
I'm trying my best to hold on. It's not easy, but I'm feeling stronger with you. And the days don't work out the way I thought they would. And before you, there was no one who understood.
Well, that is it for today's video. I hope that you guys all enjoyed it. I hope it gave you some fall decorating ideas for your front porch and your front entryway. And if you did enjoy today's video, please make sure that you give me a thumbs up. Say hi down in the comments below. I would love to hear from you. And I will see you all in my next video. I hope you guys all have an amazing day. Bye.